There you go. I got their water. The females normally take the lead. Us males, we're a bit lazier. See, the guys are back here, the girls are up there already. This is Cleo. It's her second day with us hiking, so she's a little timid still. I gotta keep my eye on her. See how high up we're already. Amazing view. Amazing view. This is right across the street from my house. It's amazing. I love my home. I love my little town. And I love my dogs. Harley, Lady, she's the matriarch of our clan. She's out there running way up there already. She takes the lead, just runs and non-stop. Everyone respects her and loves her so much. She's a great leader. And Chiquilin, he's the king, but he's a bit lazy. Here we are. We're gonna go all the way across, and then we go. It's about an hour and a half to get across and just walk around and have them chase birds, and once in a while they'll see a rabbit. I'll never catch them. And I'm always the last one. Okay, so they take off. Cleo is getting brave, and she's go baby. She wants to go with them, but she's just timid. It's only her second day with us. Look at my town. Look at this view. It's amazing. Amazing. I can't believe it. This is never in my dreams. Never in my dreams would I imagine being here. It's amazing. It's very, very little pollution, traffic pollution, very little pollution of every kind. We're about 20 minutes from the city, so it's not far, but this huge hill separates us from the entire city. And yeah, it's amazing. I'll be back. Okay, we're almost at the peak of the mountain. Just over there, over this. There. And from this point, you could see we're surrounded by mountains. It's amazing, watch. You can see, dude. Here I am, highest point of the mountain. You're able to see every direction. Look at the sky. Isn't it amazing? Oh, I'm in heaven. And with my babies, my doggies. Be right back. I'm back. Wanted to show you the city. There's Durango, Mexico. Durango is the capital of the state Durango. Durango City is the capital of the state Durango. And there it is. It's so peaceful. I needed peace in my life, and I got it. It makes me happy. Of course, it'd be better my mom was here, but she's quarantined and she's stuck in the house and she doesn't want to come out because she's young. She says she's way too young to get infected by somebody else. She's gonna be 86 in a couple of days. And she says she's young, and she is. She's very young. She still has a lot to give and a lot to live. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm back. See, there's Lady, Sky, and Snow. They usually take the lead to scare off the rabbits. Huge hairs, huge. Size of a dog, of a medium-sized dog. But they can never catch them. They're way too fast. They have fun though. And they get tired, and they allow me to sleep at night. The sound of silence. Amazing. We're back. There's a lot of thorny bushes, and we're kind of, this is difficult terrain, but it's fun. Normally they all kind of scatter around, and today they're kind of all with me. They're probably tired. Earlier I took them to the river. Back. Now we're climbing back. Okay. There you go. They took off. They heard Lady. She saw a rabbit and she calls them out to go help them. They never get there on time. But Cleo took off too, so I gotta follow him. Cleo? Okay, yeah. There, mamacita. She knows she can't go that far. She's not. This is new terrain for her. No. You stay with me for a little, okay? Yeah. A few more times. See, they're back. Didn't catch them. See you in a bit. Okay, and the other ones that were closer to the rabbit, sometimes I'm right here and they take off and I can see them way across, way over. And it's far, it's quite a ways from where I'm at. And this is how they know where I'm at, because I keep walking, I don't stay waiting for them. This is how they follow me, no matter where they're at. And that's good enough to know where I'm at. And before you know it, they're here with me. There's snow. Okay, we're getting close to an area where most of the time we come by, we see rabbits. Since I'm a bit taller, not much, but I get to see them sometimes before they do. But by the time they see them, the rabbits are gone. If they would ever catch one, no, they wouldn't. They couldn't. But if they were, there's no way I would run to eat that rabbit, because I'm very against any type of killing of animals for a sport. And no, I wouldn't allow it. I try to teach my dogs that we don't kill animals. We don't eat plants. We don't dig in the lawn. We don't gather trash. And I'm gonna call the other ones because I don't see them. Badass whistle. Okay, now we just arrived at the other side of the mountain. Unfortunately, this is here. It's unfortunate that this is here, but it's necessary, I understand. And they're kept pretty clean, and I don't see much trash. It's somehow people respect them. They take care of it. Kind of, we do whatever we can to maintain it clean. I mean, that graffiti has been here way before 15 years ago. I don't know, there's still graffiti, but contrast to other buildings out in the city, this isn't much. It's kind of artsy.